Hi, I'm Monica, and today I'm presenting robust benchmarking for clinical entity recognition and normalization, work out of MIT and MGH. So, clinical notes are a treasure trove. They contain detailed patient information valuable for downstream clinical research. Unfortunately, they're essentially written in a different language, as you can see here. So, if we want to parse notes, we have to understand the concepts within them. And that has two steps. The first, entity recognition, identifying what spans correspond to clinical concepts. Second is entity normalization, mapping those spans to concepts in clinical vocabularies. These tasks are of long-standing interest in clinical NLP, and over the past decade, there have been multiple datasets dedicated to one or both. Our contributions in this work are first, an in-depth analysis of the reliability of current algorithms, and second, a new annotation schema that enables end-to-end learning and evaluation. So to analyze reliability, we looked at the 2019 N2C2 normalization challenge, and we saw that while the highest accuracy achieved was 85%, that this was brittle, and we perform much worse on concepts not seen during training, and that performance is inconsistent across different types of concepts. We also examined CTAKES and MetaMap, two popular end-to-end systems. By end-to-end, that means they perform both recognition and normalization. But in our analysis, they only correctly recovered 50 to 60% of the concepts. As a result, we look for answers and we develop a new annotation schema. And it's largely designed to overcome shortcomings in clinical vocabularies. For example, duplicated concepts. Here we can see sputum equally maps to two different concepts, so we allow multiple concepts to be tagged. Additionally, inconsistent spans. You can see that there's a concept for severe asthma exacerbation, but not a concept for severe COPD exacerbation in the vocabulary. As a result, we don't just tag the longest concept span, but any subspans. This has the added benefit of allowing for end-to-end training and evaluation, since we can assign partial credit for only tagging asthma exacerbation. We use this annotated schema to create a new annotated data set with the data made available here. And we see that a lot of spans are tagged with multiple concepts and that we can do more nuanced benchmarking. For example, one end-to-end system tagged some concept over half the time and missed a compositional concept. Moving forward, we're creating a large open source data set for the community. We built a custom clinical annotation platform you can see here. Reach out if you want to help with any portion. Thanks for listening.